I'm honored to be with you all this afternoon to officially commission this site for Fiji Barefoot College. I must thank the Turanga Tuinandongo for the initial gesture to mark a land in his community for this very noble project. My government has secured the lease for the 6.4 acres of land as part of our contribution to the Fiji Barefoot College. This project will replicate Barefoot College in Rajasthan, India, and it is an investment to the people of the north. The Fiji Barefoot College, which is the solar electrification training center, have been jointly supported by the government of India and the government of Fiji, and it will be the first of its kind in the Pacific. The Fiji Barefoot College, which is rural-based, and the training curriculum is designed specifically for the rural population and provide an opportunity for the rural population with limited educational achievements to undergo on-the-job practical training in technical skills required for rural development program. The college will train rural women in solar engineering to solar electrify rural communities. The project is a culmination of the close relationship that Fiji has with the government of India. The DREAM project is well supported by the high diplomatic relationships between Fiji and India, and the gateway was created by the Fiji visit by His Excellency the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. Following the visit of the founder of Fiji Barefoot College, Professor Banka Roy, the Tuinandongo last year swiftly identified the site. Ndongo will be the home of Fiji Barefoot College and certainly create a ripple effect in this province. As I said, climate change is a major concern in the Pacific region, and these changes include extreme weather events, droughts, flooding, and coastal erosion from the rise in the sea levels. Many Pacific Island countries are already suffering from these extreme climate events. Let us be resilient, lift up our voices, and be an example to the global community by advocating for use of clean and sustainable technology to mitigate the effects of climate change. Clean and sustainable technology from solar will mitigate the effects of climate change and improve quality of life within underdeveloped rural villages in Fiji. Last year, I had the opportunity to meet up with the 5 women of Ndongo who are undergoing training in Rajasthan, India. My government applauds the forthcoming commitment of the government of India in its kind contribution of $1.2 million towards the project. I want to congratulate the Tuinandongo for motivating his people to focus their attention on the livelihoods and resilience. We want to mobilize at a larger scale this incredible wealth of wisdom, knowledge, and skills, allowing new ways for rural people to play a stronger role in building a sustainable and resilient Fiji from the ground up. Through this facility, Fiji will be able to produce solar products and commodities that will make a difference to families and communities that may be without electricity. This is a new enterprise, as Fiji will be able to produce Fijian-made solar products by our own women, who will be solar engineers of a different scale. In closing, I'm now honored to formally commission this site as the home of the Fiji Barefoot College. Vinakabakalipo. Não vou dar lama. Não vou lá. Ando sana ke sini boleh? Ya. Tapi nak boleh.